Massive progress is happening right now at Camp Nou, from rapid ceramic llama installations to a huge structural lift that could happen at any moment. Crews are working across multiple levels, and some key sections are finally starting to take shape. In today's update, we're breaking down every major development you don't want to miss. Let's get straight into it. In the Tribune section, steady progress is visible with new sandwich panels added along the front facade, expanding coverage while some sections remain incomplete. Anti-corrosion coating has been applied to structural connections, indicating ongoing finishing work. Elevated platforms are active as workers continue adjustments on connecting beams, while concrete work in upper sections is also in progress, showing consistent development across this area. The installation of ceramic llamas is progressing efficiently. The lower section has now been nearly completed, with only minimal gaps previously remaining near the pillar. Work has now shifted upward to the next level, where multiple llamas have already been secured in place. A new llama is currently being positioned using a crane and elevated platforms, marking continued vertical progress. This section is moving steadily toward full completion with several more pieces still to be installed. On the exterior, crews are actively working on anchoring systems. Multiple elevated platforms are visible, with workers tightening, adjusting, and inspecting anchor points. These anchors appear to require precise calibration, as ongoing revisions have been observed over the past few days. No new llamas have been installed here yet, but materials are prepared, indicating that installation will begin soon once anchoring is finalized. At the first cantilever level, progress continues mainly on internal structural elements. Workers are handling insulation materials and scaffolding components, focusing on interior development. Although visible changes are limited from the outside, steady work is ongoing in preparation for upcoming structural phases. The second cantilever level shows more visible activity, with multiple elevated platforms operating across the structure. Pillars are being prepared with formwork at the top, indicating upcoming vertical extensions. Workers are actively transporting materials and reinforcing structural components, reflecting consistent progress in this section. In the south stand, installation of prefabricated seating continues. A newly lifted seating unit has been positioned, contributing to the lower tier of the second stand. However, a noticeable gap remains in this section, where additional seating elements are still to be installed. This area is expected to see significant progress as more units are added in sequence. A major moment is building around the massive structural element known as the Falange. Suspended by heavy-duty crane chains, this enormous piece has been the center of attention on site. Workers have repeatedly paused the lifting process, carefully inspecting every connection, every chain tension, and every alignment detail. The scale and weight of this structure demand absolute precision. In the north corner, structural framework development is advancing steadily. Work is focused on the elevator shaft structures, where most of the primary beams are already in place. Workers are engaged in welding, hammering, and securing remaining components, indicating that this section is approaching its final structural phase. The central north area remains active with floor and reinforcement work. Crews are drilling into slabs and installing metal components required for structural support. Additional reinforcement elements are being integrated into the flooring system, ensuring stability for future construction phases. New structural supports for the ceramic llamas are being installed across different sections. These supports are positioned at varying distances depending on the design requirements. Some connection points are already completed, while others are still being prepared. This step is critical before large-scale llama installation can expand into these areas. In the diamond-shaped facade area, preparations are actively underway for frame installation. Workers and lifting equipment are already positioned, indicating that structural framing will begin soon. This will be followed by the installation of glass panels, marking the next visible phase of facade development. And that's a wrap for today's update. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss any future updates.